Hello to everyone. How are you doing? This is Joanna on this Thursday, and I have been gone since about 9 something this morning, and it is exactly 2:21 here. So half my day is gone, and I go to work tomorrow. But I came here to share with you some things that I got while I was out. I got a few things to go with other things. This is not what I got while I was out. This is, in fact, what I am going to put together because I was looking for the Oil of Olay lavender ribbons, and I did pick up two, one in an order yesterday and one today at the grocery store. But I had those ribbons years ago when they came out, and I can't remember if I didn't like them or if I just used them up and they didn't have them or I didn't get any more because they had a green one back then. And I'm not too clear on how I felt about them, so I might have loved them, but I did buy things like a normal person then. I would buy something, use it up. If I loved it and it was out, I would get it again when I was nearly done, and I didn't buy things then like I do now. But when I get that, I plan on incorporating it with this, and I need more of this because this is the last bar of this that I had. So I want to share with you what I purchased. We'll start with the grocery store items because I have to put those in the refrigerator. They're not much. I just wanted to get a few things for the weekend because y'all know that I work. So there was no point in me doing a big grocery store run because these are just things to get me by while I'm working. And I had so much stuff because I stopped at the mall and I did a pickup order from Bed Bath & Beyond. I actually did it yesterday. They're doing some kind of road work here, so the bus didn't come through here, and I didn't know that, so I just came back in the house and went out today. So I started off with some cookies here because I've been wanting cookies and ice cream. I didn't buy any ice cream today, but I did get these pecan sandies. And then I got this water. The other one, guys, I swear to you, it tasted like, and I know I be coming up with some stuff, but the best way for me to describe that other one that I had that was supposed to be a green tea in this version was like somebody ran my water through peeled white potato skins. I know that sounds odd. I did drink it anyway, but I wanted to go ahead and try this one. And I have never heard of this. Is this ashwagandha tangerine extract? I just know I stayed away from the one that had the dandelions. And this right here, y'all see how red this can is compared to what they used to look like? Now, Love Amber warned me about these, and I want to say thank you to her because I didn't expect for us to have this design so fast. She had commented under one of my videos if I had seen these, and I told her no, I hadn't, but I would be on the lookout. So while I was in the store today, I said, let me go and get a can of my Pringles, you know, just one can to get me through. And I wasn't expecting to see this new can here as fast. And sure enough, just like she said, it's all red. And I will say this, if you're someone who, like me, doesn't like a package change and you use your peripheral vision in the store, you know, you see how sometimes you just grab something because you know it's that color on your way down the aisle. If you accidentally grab these from this end right here, you're going to get this, especially if you're not looking for this. Now, if you're looking for this, that's great. But why they did this, I do not know. I hope that they taste the same. I don't know because I won't be eating these until probably the next day or maybe even Monday. But thank you, Love Amber, for warning me about that. So all that I got here this time was a series of TV dinners. I will probably eat one of these tonight because I went out to Starbucks and I got some coffee, which I'll share with you in a moment. And they told me I had enough points to get a free coffee. Well, you know me, I'm saving my points for a cup. I have enough points to get a cup. I have enough points to get a free whole bag bean coffee and whatever I want. I have enough for a free drink. I have about 518 points. So I said, no, I'll keep them. But I got a sandwich there. They didn't have the feta cheese sandwich that they have. I forget what it's really called. So I got their Southwest breakfast wrap that had egg, and I started not feeling good. And usually, guys, I don't eat scrambled eggs or any kind of eggs out unless they're mine. Or like I have said over the years, when we would go to Bob Evans or IHOP and I would tell them I want my eggs with cheese, they only put the cheese on top of the scrambled eggs. I would eat that off and that's it. I really truly like my own scrambled eggs. They had trouble trying to get me to eat scrambled eggs as a kid, but basically in my own, I do 2 eggs, some milk, some butter, salt and pepper, and then around holiday time, for some unknown reason why I only do it at holiday time, I will use mild cheddar cheese in my eggs, which I use anyway. And then I will add to that what's that, jack cheese, Colby jack cheese with a little green and red bell pepper and some onion. I don't know why I do that at holiday time, but I'll eat them that way. And for the most part, I tend to avoid eggs out. So I'm hoping that maybe it was just because I was feeling that way after I ate it, and that's why I didn't feel great, because sometimes those places use those powdered eggs like schools. But I did notice that Starbucks doesn't actually cook that food. They microwave it and heat it up. It comes, I'm guessing, pre-made. I don't know if they have to put it together or if it comes already together. I just know that one time I ordered a sandwich from them and it was still frozen in the middle. I didn't get sick then, but I think it was in my head as to why I wasn't feeling well. So I'm hoping I'll feel better. I'm going to drink some carbonated water. So this right here is all that I got from the grocery store. And I also got, let me see. Okay, I got this right here, this one right here, this one right here, and the one you saw at the bottom. But I also got this. Now, I originally wanted this in the purple and the blue, which I got the blue. But from Home Depot, I'm sorry, Bed Bath & Beyond, they had the honey one, whatever. So I'll find out if I like these. If I don't, I will still use them. But the blue one is pretty. The lavender must be super popular because it stays sold out. Almost any of this stuff that anybody, myself and y'all and anybody has been talking about on YouTube, guys, is sold out. That's what happened with those shower things. There is another acrylic set that I want. And I'm not going to say who sells it because I want to order it in the next couple of weeks because they were out. And I don't want them to sell out. Once I get them, I will share where they're from. They're really, really nice. And they will go with the racks that I got coming. So y'all know that a lot of us wash Ashley. Some of us talk about the same thing. She does talk about different stuff than some of us because she has an outlet in her area. She also has a lot of more stores in her area. So the shower racks that I was after that I had on hold were the same ones that she talked about in her YouTube video. And they sold out. So I don't know what else to say. Just if you're eyeballing something that a YouTuber has talked about, guys, go ahead and get it because it will sell out. So I was able to get the second set of racks that I wanted, and all that's going to come. Also, I want to say, I hauled this, right? I like this. I've used this much of this. I've cleaned the shower with it. I've cleaned the window seal over there. I'm going to clean that picture. And there's the polish rack still there. These are the boxes I broke down, but I got the windows open today. I usually never do that. But there is a Yang Yang one coming in this, but I actually like this one, guys. And what is this one? This one is pink grapefruit and pamplemousse rose, if I'm saying that right. I just bought it at the store. And I actually like it, so I will be getting that again. But I did go ahead and get this. And this one is Notes of Blue Lotus. I found that I like Blue Lotus, and I do like Blue Lavender. I don't know, but I like it. And I'm hoping these are green. They've had a package change on these, and I don't know which one of these is the new package and which one is the old. So, I'm going to share with you what I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, one more grocery item. So from the grocery store, instead of the 2-liter, I had made up my mind to get this. Well, it's a good thing that I did because they had no 2 liters of cherry Coke to begin with. So a lot of times I don't get these because they're heavy, but this is 6 bottles. So I figured I'd have one when I come in. You know what I mean? Because I will drink cherry Coke for the most part while I'm at home. I'll buy a can or 2 at work. They have the bottles, but I get the can. I get the bottles when I want to put them in the med cart or in my pocket. But I just went ahead and got this little 6-pack because this will get me through. And then I'll go back to the store on Monday. Because I need to get, y'all hear this out of me all the time, how I need to get real food. I need to give it up. So this is one of the coffees that I wanted. Now this is at Bed Bath & Beyond in the Keurig form. So I will probably get that. I will also get more of that Island Coconut that I seem to like. But I do want the 50th anniversary blend, but I've been slow to get it. It's not super expensive. It's either $15 or $16. These were under $13. But now, guys, they got more that I was looking at. They had one called Siren Blend, and something was orange and tangerine. Was it orange? No, It was chocolate and tangerine. So I don't know. I know that we've had candles in that scent, and that's a pleasant scent sometimes. So I just wonder what it would be like in coffee. And I would either put vanilla or plain creamer in there. But needless to say, guys, I done been bit by the whole bean coffee bug. I have never in my life made whole bean coffee. I have a few because I have that coffee bean grinder that is still in the box. But I will get this in the Keurig form. And I don't know if the anniversary blend comes in Keurig form. I have only seen it in the whole bean, but they didn't have it at the Starbucks where I was at. They did have some of those red tumblers, but for the most part, our area is done with the tumblers. So what I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, first I wanted one of these because of LaToya. Then I started seeing other people with these. But when I saw this one, what made me get this one, is I plan to pair it with this. Y'all know that I like this one. This was the first body scrub of theirs that I used. I hauled it a while ago before I ever used it. I just started using it. But this one is the cream. And I did order a pomegranate body cream on Amazon. And I'll probably get the pomegranate bars or body wash. And then y'all know that I have another one of these scrubs. I plan on repeating the calendula one and the brown sugar one if I find it. But I figured I would pair these three together because to me, this body wash kind of smells like this. So this is crushed macadamia and rice milk, whereas this is coconut and rice milk. But I love the scent of rice milk. I have found that out. Most things rice milk I really do like. So I did go ahead and get the green one as well and the blue one because I saw the blue one in Target after Ashley also talked about this one, and then any other ladies that have also talked about these. So I like the smell of all of them, but when I saw this one, I saw it in Schnucks, smelled it, put me in the mind of this, so I figured I'd put these together. So then this one right here, I went ahead and got this just because it was one of the ribbons that was on the Bed Bath & Beyond site. The purple one wasn't available to buy or to pick up. The blue one was there for pickup only, so I got it. So that just leaves the purple one. I will not try to get the pink one. I smelled it in Walgreens. I did like the way that it smelled. So then, guys, I ambled into Victoria's Secret. Why? Oh, why? I got 5 things. They were having a sale in there, and their sale is said buy 2 get 3 free. Now I don't know how long this has been going on here because I have not been back in there since the last haul that I did. I did get one full set of what I wanted. So what I got is not all that I wanted. There was a few more other sets. I wanted the sands set to this and the pink one, but I wasn't sure that I liked it. I did like this, but they had I think what happened between these two was I picked up this first because we knew that I wanted the vanilla set. Picked that up first, and then I got this, but they did not have the mist. They sold out of that first, she said. So I don't know how long that sale's been going on, but isn't this just gorgeous? I have to have that mist. And I told her, she said they would get more. I said I don't care if it's on sale or not. This was the one that I felt like I liked. If I end up not liking this now that I got it home, I'll exchange it for this. But for the most part, what you see with these 3, I want the cream to this, the mist to this, and the mist to this. This mist was there, but when I got these 3 right here, and I was able to get 2 more, and I didn't want to get the full set of either because I knew that I liked both, so I said I'll get the cream in this and the mist in this. So it is my plan to go back and get the counterparts to these. They do have the melon sorbet that my daughter liked online, but it's no longer in store. So then the next place that I went, guys, was Sephora. I went to the Sephora in Penny's, and I went to the Sephora standalone store. Since this was in my basket and I'm trying to wait for the sale on the 9th, the Rouge sale, I went ahead and got this. Instead of the full size, I got this small one, and it wasn't cheap. I think it might have been, what I do with the bag. I don't even know what I did with the bag that quick, but it might have been 20 something. Because sometimes these little things are as high as they are when you get the full size. I can't believe. Okay, here we go. I was going to say, where'd that bag go? So, let's see. Yeah, guys, this little bitty thing was 21 bucks. But it'll last me because I don't go through my moisturizers that quick, but I do like the way this smells. I'm not sure that I'll like it, but I will definitely use it. And it's light. It's of a different consistency. It's almost like a gel cream lotion, if there's such a thing. So then the last thing that I got, guys, I went to the Sephora, and I wanted to try the Sol de Jenero body wash. So I had the full-size bottle in my hand is what I had. And I do have various bum creams around here somewhere. I don't have this one. I think this one maybe is the plum one. It was underneath the sign that said plum. So I'm going to have to look and see, because if not, that means I'll be going back. Like, I'll keep this one because I think they might have had 4 of these. But I will go back for the other one as well. So I can't really tell what's on there, but the photo that I saw had plum. So I'm still pleased with that. So they didn't have this in the turquoise set. It's online, but this is enough for you to try it. It's the little mist, the bum cream, and the shower gel. So this whole kit was $25 versus the shower gel, and the turquoise one was sold out. All they had was the $20 size in this, but I think I have one and I need to use them before they change. So if I'm not mistaken, this might be, because there was 4 of these. There was yellow, turquoise, this one, and the one that I thought was plum. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to read this closer and see, because that one actually said plum. It had another scent and it said plum, and this doesn't really say anything as far as I can tell. I'm still over here trying to read it. So yeah, I'm going to look online and see what I can find. But I'm still pleased with this, and I will use this right here. Some people have said this don't last long. I don't know if they mean this or the perfume, but they do have, for $26, the perfume vial. So that is all that I got. And then they're talking about this rouge sale. I think it starts on the 9th for rouge. Yeah, if you're rouge, it starts on the 9th to the 19th. And if you're VIB, it starts on the 13th, and Insider the 15th. And it ends on the 19th. So that was it, guys. This is all that I got. I just wanted to share that with you. And until the next time, everyone have a great day.